Here's my 2014 Cub Cadet XT1 LT46 46-inch deck. 22 horsepower, Kohler 7000 series, 725cc. We're gonna do a cold start, no choke. Probably might drain the battery. Battery's not extremely old as of now, but I actually just charged it up recently. So probably like 12.5, let's see. 12.4, it's gone down a little bit. Alright, let's give this a shot. Okay, so turn the choke off, low throttle. Here we go. Brakes depressed. Wow. Well, that wasn't that hard. It didn't even take that long. Some mowers take much longer than that. There's that beautiful engine that always purrs. Starts really nicely.